This is my Patreon exclusive Leprechaun ghost miniature, and I'm going to show you how I painted it. First, I start by spraying it down with a flat white primer. I lightly hot glue it to a platform to make it easier to paint, and the colors I use are jet black, white, king's gold, pumpkin orange, parakeet, nutmeg brown, and metallic antique gold from Folk Art. I start with the white, painting the ghost, making sure he is an even coat of white. Next, I use the pumpkin orange for the beard. Then I use jet black for the eyes. And then for the hat, I do a couple of coats of parakeet. And then carefully use the nutmeg brown for the strap. For the buckle on the hat, I do one layer of king's gold and a second layer on top with the metallic antique gold. For the coins, I do the same thing as the buckle. I do a first layer of the king's gold, and then I do a second layer with the metallic antique gold. After that, I use jet black on the pot. When everything is dry, I spray it down with a satin clear finish. This is the end result. You can get this miniature by being a Phantom Patron on my Patreon as an STL file, or by purchasing the St. Patrick's Day miniature ghost kit from my Etsy. Check out my Patreon at cnetcuriosities.com, and if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know.